Good morning, everybody. My name is Junn Chong. I'm from Kids Public Speaking, Bangsa South. Today, I am pleased to share this speech with you about dreams. Dream big. I found out that nothing in life is worthwhile unless you take risks. Nelson Mandela said there is no patience to be found in playing small. Without consistency, you will never finish. So do what you are passionate about. Take chances. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Don't be afraid to fail big. Dream big. But remember, dreams without goals are just dreams. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 experiments before he found the one which became the light bulb. Every failed experiment is one step closer to success. You got to take risks. You will fail at some point in your life. I guarantee it. You will lose. You will embarrass yourself, and you will suck at something. Failure is inevitable. Every one of us has the talent to succeed, but do you have the guts to fail? If you don't fail, you are not even trying. To get something you never have, you have to do something you've never done. Failure is the best way to figure out where you are going. It's about knowing what you know and knowing what you do not know. It's about being open to people and ideas. The chances you take, the people you meet, the people you love, the faith that you have. That's what's going to define you. Never be discouraged and never hold back your dreams. Give it everything you got. But if you fail, remember this. Believe in yourself. Thank you.